The Amuyi, a bassa cannon. How would you feel?
How would we feel? You might be asking your question to the people, establishment. Yeura would to me, a chairman of a region, goes to even do a press conference, and he goes into the office of another candidate.
Yeah.
When Abebusa almost say, Nasa, Ma when Namu here Kennedy, I'm better than better than what's about. One has Obusa woman, yet a bear, say, Lusu.
Okay.
Yamunia, when a woman Obusa, the Munam could dear Che. Eba sound better. Ashanti MP ye Bawumia P 2.
Oh really?
Oh of course.
Hey,
Papa Nyeri aboni.
Oh
of course. Of course.
Is that how we do?
Na Kennedy
this is serious.
What a true campaign time Kennedy. Onye wonu campaign won krum. He goes around to
and the Kennedy abo MP CBD akra or obetu be.
Me akra me bato. I'm telling you.
Papa Nyeri aboni Nyeri.
Me say me akra me boabe to. Me am delis beko.
Oh,
of course.
Whether you win or you lose.
Yes, we will make sure say we let the people who are the bad apples out of the system.
And who are they?
I don't know. It's true I will put them.
Jeff.
Now, me finding out. Within the team Kennedy Japan, our more MPP more. Do they have the right thinking people like a type? Our munini ya more young. I mean, no more fear to say Kennedy Japan. I say, be no more dear crowd for me to me and manage NPP for the time of a president. And admitted some Waka Kotuaba where we near we. Who is going to be his running mate? I know, say you are not, but when I'll be when they be in the running mate.
Oh, when we get to the bridge, I have always said to
the northern side.
No. I've said to the candidate,
priority.
I mean, we don't want to use tribal things to rule the
country. Who qualifies?
It's a qualification. It's the appropriate, the person who appeals to the people who can demonstrate capacity to perform. Yeah, interested in we are not me my candidate. Yes, you true bridge na ya cross. Ebi kura ne hia oba, ebi ane hia kremoni, ebi ane hia Christoni, ebi ane hia bafai, ebi ane hia tigare. We are not there.
Yeah, you go with.
We will go with and do the right thing. Yeah, we need kosuswa. It do times here rua and yan kola ne do o machi ase di yoka. Akola bi e credit. We will go across the country. I'm making sure say we pick the right people, notwithstanding any political device. And I tell you, the economic management is managed by a vice president and ministers of state. So, where minister, where MP, what they call minister, what they call what they call cabinet. We must bring independent people who have the mind to research. And they about to abide him say, any to where NDC new, to a PCPO, so wherever. So we have to change the dynamics of the way we govern this country.